In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Windows. For it, just go to www.adobe.com/acrobat/pdfreader.html. After that, you just need to go down and then you will see here three options here. Just click on individuals, then you will see three options. One is free and other two is paid. So we want to download the free version. So in order to download the free version, just go to the free version, then click here download now. And then click on download Adobe Reader. And there you can see a exe file is downloaded. So right now we just need to double click on this exe file. So this will start installing Adobe Acrobat on our Windows. This will take some time. Right now I will just fast forward the video. So here you can see the Adobe Acrobat Reader is installed. And right now it will just scan whether this app has any virus or not. But what we can do is that we can just directly click here finish and it will automatically open Adobe Acrobat. So this is how you can download and install Adobe Acrobat for free on your Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.